Hi guys, so today I'm gonna make a look at the baby sound effect for my best friends, Brian and Lewis. So all you need to do is spawn 2 sheeps, and I'm gonna make the sound effect really kind of funny. So let's get started. And now we're here. Wait, whoops, wrong one. No. Wait, what? What? Where's wheat? And now, wait. Die, sheep, die! Get out of here! And wait. So they're not spawning at all. I might find another one. Oh yes, it's working. Mommy, Daddy, look at the baby. Yeah, that's what the sound effect was. And that's for my friend Lewis. So remember guys, be sure to like and subscribe and tap the notification bell to never miss a video or upload, and be sure to write a comment and be sure to subscribe to my channels, and be sure to like and hit that subscribe button and the like button, and write a comment, a really good comment. So bye bye. Cut it out, you cut it out.